Okay, have you ever needed to send money from your credit card to bank account but got stuck with those crazy processing fees like 2%, 3% and even more? But what if I told you there's a way to transfer money with zero hidden charges and your first transaction can be completely free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step with all the tips and warnings you need to know before you proceed. So here's the thing, while there are tons of applications that allows credit card to bank transfer, most of them charges fees depending on the amount you transfer. Some charge 1%, some charge 2 to 3%, and some also have hidden charges or GST add-ons. For example, if you want to transfer 1 lakh using an app that charges 2% or you consider 3% also, there you are paying 2 to 3,000 just as in fee, which is your hard-earned money gone for nothing. But the app I'm going to show you today is the housing app, which lets you do this for free on your first transaction, and you also earn cashback, which can also be used if you want to do more transactions in future. And now let me show you how. So it doesn't matter if you have Android device or iPhone. If you have Android, just head to Play Store and search for housing application. Similar way you can also do it on App Store. So this is the application. Once it is installed, just open it, allow all the necessary permissions, and soon you open it, you will see a third option called pay on credit at zero fee. Description says use credit card for rents and fees, save cash for expenses. We'll select this option. On the next page, you'll see the category option. Tapping on view all category, one thing you'll observe here, house rent is one of the most popular. But remember guys, avoid choosing house rent because many banks now penalize rent related transfers via credit card. So avoid house rent option. Other options are also there like office rent, security, bookings, maintenance, brokerage, tuition fee, etc. But always choose this option, which is education fee. It's safe and accepted by banks without any issue. So let's tap on it. On the next page, we got an option to enter the amount, like the amount how much we need to transfer from credit card to our savings account. So in our case, I'll take 10,000. More the amount you add, you get more cash back. And as said, as it's a first transaction which will be completely free for us, so enter the maximum value which you require. Just to show you guys, we are using 10,000 rupees. Now just agree to terms and condition and tap on continue. If you see the next page, it's asking for bank details. I mean, you need to enter that bank detail where you are transferring the money. In this application, you have both the options. Either you can use the UPI ID or the bank details. So what we'll do, we'll add the bank details over here. So you can see I've added all the details, bank account number, IFSC code, and the recipient name. As I'm transferring to my account itself, so I've added my bank details itself. As said before, you can also use the UPI ID option. Now just tap on continue, and now you need to enter your mobile number here. So I'll just enter my mobile number, and an OTP will be shared using which your device will auto login, or if it doesn't log in automatically, you just enter that OTP manually and you'll be on this screen. On this page, you just enter your full name. After that, if you see another option which says have an invite code. So guys, here you can use the invite code which I have given you guys, which is TECH100, and tap on apply. Once it is applied, now you can see the amount have been changed. Previously we were sending 10,000 rupees, but now it says 9,894, which means 9,894 amount will be deducted from your credit card, but in your bank account you will be getting 10,000 rupees itself. Using this code you will save 106 rupees. So make sure to use the code which I have given in the description below, copy it as it is and just paste it. And if you don't use this code, you won't be getting the discount. It will be the similar process like other apps uses. You have to pay some charges to transfer the amount. After that, tap on total pay. Now it will ask you to verify your PAN card details. So here, enter the beneficiary PAN number. So I'll enter the PAN number here. Then later on, tap on verify. Here it will take around 20 seconds to verify. And once it is verified, you can see we got another discount of 50 rupees. Now if you see the total, initially we had the discount of 106 and now they have also added 50 rupees more. So in total discount, currently what we are getting, that's 156 rupees. And if you see the amount, that's also changed now. But still in our bank account, we'll be getting 10,000 rupees itself. Tap on pay. And now here you need to enter your credit card details. I mean the card which you will be using to transfer the money to your savings account. And once you enter all the details like expiry, CVV, card number and the card holder name, you'll see the amount got changed here. It will give you the entire breakdown. So 50 rupees we got verification discount. Referral discount is 125 rupees. So now in total we are getting 175 rupees discount. But if you see the amount which is more than what we entered initially, which was 10,000. and after discount it even came down, but still after entering the card details the amount got changed. Now they have also added the convenience fee, but you can ignore this total amount right now because once the transaction is completed, I'll show you another breakdown, and after seeing that you'll understand why it's a free transaction and we are not paying anything for it. So I'll tap on total pay, which is 10,088. So on 10,000 we are paying 88 rupees extra currently. So this amount will be deducted from your credit card and you'll receive only 10,000 in your savings account. I'll just tap on pay right now, and do not close this screen guys, the payment process might take some time. As I've installed the credit card application, so it's asking me for an approval. You can use the OTP method and I just have to verify myself. You can see it says transaction verified. Now we'll open up that application and there we go. Here the transaction have been completed. And as I told you guys, I'll explain you guys after the transaction is completed. You can see we have got a coupon which says you have got the 88 rupees. We had only paid 88 rupees additionally. And the extra amount we have got back as an coupon. Payment is yet to receive in my bank. It might take few hours, but there are some rare chances, like 4 to 5% chances that it might also take 2 to 3 days to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, this amount will be added in my housing wallet and that I can use it for future transaction. So that makes the first transaction completely free. You just have to tap on claim rewards and you'll see this pop up. Just pull down this yellow icon and we also got a cashback of 10 rupees. Currently in the reward history, you'll only see saving of rupees 10. But that amount which we got, which was 88 rupees, is yet to be added once the transaction gets completed. So once the transaction is completed, we got in total 98 rupees. The amount what we paid was 10,088 rupees. So we have got that 88 rupees plus the 10 rupees cashback in the first transaction. And now in total, once the transaction is completed, we'll have 98 rupees and that can be further used in the upcoming transactions if I want to make any. So basically, first transaction is considered as free transaction. In 95% of cases, the money reflects in your bank accounts within just few hours. But there are chances, 4 to 5% rare cases, it may take up to 2 to 3 business days. So if the money doesn't show up instantly, do not panic. It's usually just a processing delay. And also use your first transaction wisely. Go for a higher amount. Use the promo code TECH100 to get the discount plus cashback. For further transactions, the housing app may charge small fees like any other. But the first one is totally worth it. Monitor your wallet balance. You can use it for further payments or partial redemption. So that was a complete step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from your credit card to your saving account, or you can say bank account, without paying high fee. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.